Go berry melts. Go berry melts. Go berry melts. Go berry melts. It's good. They chocolatey. They good. They're so good. Welcome back. You guys, we're gonna get straight to the chase today. I have something special for you and for me and for everybody who's been waiting. So if you guys don't remember, a few months back, I might insert a little clip here. I did talk to you guys about a special, confidential, top secret thing that Berry Melts was going to be releasing. And I'm going to let you know. They're here. Oh my God. Berry Melts has released a protein bar. It is the Berry Melts Crispy Chocolate Protein Bar. I'm really excited about these. You guys, I'm a big protein bar fan. I love popping in a protein bar to help like replace a meal on the go when I'm out hiking with my friends. I have not tried this, but I'm so excited to try it. It says Berry Melts, our bariatric friendly protein bars are both tasty and packed with protein so you can continue on your weight loss journey. Combining a crunchy texture with dark chocolate, which is dark chocolate is great for you also. They are the perfect treat to satisfy your sweet tooth. With 15 grams of protein, which is astronomical, okay, 5 grams of sugar, and no artificial flavors or sweeteners, it will be easy for you to curb the cravings and say no to unhealthy snacks. No unhealthy snacks. So we're going to be doing a taste test of these. I have not tried these. Berry Melts sent these over to moi to try. So let's go ahead. It comes with 6 bars. And let's grab one. Okay. The packaging, I love it so much. I think the best thing for me is that this has 5 grams of sugar. I have such a bad sweet tooth. Not now, but I do find myself wanting sweet things sometimes. And so I feel like this would be a perfect way for me to get the sweet that I need and still feel okay with it. You know, it's bariatric friendly. It's good for on the go. You can pop it in your purse. You can pop it in your backpack. You can leave it right here if you want to. I think that this is such a wonderful release by Berry Melts. You guys, I love Berry Melts. I have been just attached to the hip at Berry Melts with Berry Melts since the beginning of my weight loss journey. I'm definitely at a point in my weight loss post-op life that I could be taking regular vitamins, but I love Berry Melts so much. They provide what I need, so I don't have to go anywhere else. I mean, I love the way they taste. They fit my lifestyle. So I'm excited. Are you guys excited? Are you tired of me talking about this? Because I'm tired of me talking. Let's just go ahead and try it. Shall we? So let's open this Berry Melts. I'm just going to take it out. Look at the texture of this. And let's do a close-up break. Oh, Berry Melts, you are after my heart. Okay, so we're going to do a taste test here. Let's see. You've got to be kidding me. These are so rich and chewy, and it has a little bit of a crisp to it because of the crispy things in there. These are amazing. And these can't be allowed. These cannot be bariatric friendly. Chef's kiss Berry Melts. These are so good. And I want you guys to remember something. If I don't stand behind it, I'm not going to support it. These are absolutely delicious. If you're interested in trying these, I have left a special link in the description box down below. You can also combine that link with my coupon code to get a little bit off of your order if you are interested. Don't miss out the chance to be able to try a delicious protein bar. I've had a lot of protein bars. I've tried them all. Some of them have too many carbs. Some of them have, too much of this, not enough of this. I mean, looking at everything here, I am highly satisfied, Berry Melts. These are so good. Please take a moment to try them. I don't think you'll be disappointed. I really feel like you will enjoy these. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you try them, let me know. Tag me on Instagram. Let me know what you think about them. Let me know. I want to know your honest opinion because they are so good. All right, I'm going to get out of here. See y'all later. Cheers.